Supreme Court orders fresh recruitment process for motor vehicle inspectors after workshop re-verification. Supreme Court orders fresh recruitment process for motor vehicle inspectors after workshop re-verification. 113 candidates' appointments set aside due to administrative delays in granting retrospective renewals to automobile workshops. The Supreme Court upheld the Madras High Court's order for a fresh verification exercise regarding candidates' workshop experience. The TNPSC was directed to finalize the motor vehicle inspector recruitment process after re-verification. The Apex Court observed that administrative delays in granting retrospective renewals should not penalize candidate applicants. A level playing field for all candidates is crucial to ensure public transparency and merit-based selection. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court of India has upheld the Madras High Court's order to conduct a fresh verification exercise regarding candidates' workshop experience. The case concerns the selection of 113 motor vehicle inspectors grade 2 by the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, TNPSC. The Apex Court observed that administrative delays in granting retrospective renewals to automobile workshops should not penalize candidate applicants who had no control over the process. The dispute arose out of a recruitment process initiated by the TNPSC for filling up vacancies to the post of Motor Vehicle Inspector Grade 2. A list of successful candidates was initially published, and appointment orders were issued to several individuals. However, this selection was challenged before a learned single judge of the Madras High Court, who set aside the appointments and directed a fresh verification of the workshop experience certificates. After a series of appeals and re-verifications, the Supreme Court finally disposed of the batch of civil appeals, affirming that certificates issued by the heads of institutions were sufficient to claim benefits under the Persons Studied in Tamil Medium (PSTM) quota. The court also directed the TNPSC to individually communicate evaluation marks to candidates falling outside the zone of consideration. Should the recruitment process be restarted if administrative delays occur, or should candidates be given a chance to prove their merit? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. If you're facing delayed appointments or re-verifications, ensure you have all necessary documents and certifications ready to support your case. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.